Hello everyone, my name is Srishti and welcome to my channel Graphism 11. Today I will be showing you an easiest way of giving a text any shape on vector software CorelDraw. So if you are ready, let's begin. We start with creating a new document. Next we have our page. So let's type our word. Enlarge it and choose your favorite font. I am keeping my text aside and creating a shape. Here by default it is set to pentagon, so I will increase the sides and make it to 8. Center align it using C and E on your keyboard. You can make any shape as per your requirement. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to create any specific shape. Then by selecting the shape and right clicking on it, I am locking the shape so I can easily work over it. Next I am going to use the envelope tool to give my text the desired shape using the nodes. I've also made sure that the nodes are converted to line for a clean sharp look. Now just select the nodes and adjust them as per the shape. And we have the text in the required shape. Let's move it aside, unlock and delete the reference shape. Bring it back on the page and create a copy to give it a gradient and add in a slight 3D visual illusion to it. Lastly, I am giving it a background and deleting the previous copy. And here is the final result. I hope this video helped you out, and if you plan to recreate, don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed below in the description box. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you are new here. I will see you soon with a new video. Till then, bye guys.